Hi guys, so today we are in my kitchen and it's not put together yet. So I wanted to show you guys how I've been decoring my house. Get me amor. How I've been decoring my house on a budget. And I have, oh my goodness, I have 3 really easy DIYs. I have another one I don't know I will show you in this video, but I will be definitely making more because I want my house to look pretty on a budget and I don't want to spend that much, but I also want to let my creative side out. So let's get started. So I bought this from Goodwill. Like, how cute, how cute. I believe it was $1.97. It's from Casa Moda. It's just white inside. It's just a plain old bucket, but it's silver. Like, how cute. I love silver, and that's what I'm playing around with in my house. I bought like a styrofoam. These were from the dollar store. It came in 2. If you want to use both, you can. I'm gonna use one. I cut my roses. These are from Michael's. I am just going to pin them wherever I want them to. That's it. And I cut, they were about this long, and I cut them, I cut just the plastic part with scissors that I had, but I just bent the roses so that I wouldn't, you know, break my shears. But you just, and then these extra leaves that I ended up getting out, just gonna stuff it in there so it's just a little bit more put together. And that is my DIY silver flower pot. Silver flower, whatever it's called. Another thing I did to decorate my house was put plants everywhere. I mean, the plants cost me about $4. This little gold teacup thing that you would call, I don't know, you would call it, only cost me about $4 too, so it was super inexpensive and it looks so pretty here. And the plants I got at Lowe's or Home Depot, one of them. Another one I want to show you guys is, let's fix this. It really doesn't have to be fixed, but I'm not a personal fan of this. I know we can do something else to it. So what I'm gonna do is grab a screwdriver. This was also from Goodwill. Oh my goodness, I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it out. This cost me about $5 to $6. I looked into my jewelry box and I was looking for something that I wasn't gonna use anymore, and this is something I am obviously not gonna use. I also had this one and I don't use this because it pinches my damn hair. So I think I'm gonna go more with this. And I don't know how I'm gonna break this, guys. Oh, that was easy. Let's see this. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on here. That way I can see. So it looks like I'm gonna cut it up to here. And I'm gonna glue it together. Junior, he loves to for some reason. I am using Gorilla Super Glue. I like to use this because it freaking dries instantly. Okay. So I did one circle. I think I'm gonna do another one. I will give you guys a close-up. You guys can do whatever you want. And those are my 3 DIYs that I have done to decorate my house. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.